Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your game progress in Royal Match. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, click on Save Your Progress option. Now, in order to save your progress, first you'll have to sign in with either Facebook or Google. In my case, I'm gonna sign in with my Facebook account. So tap on it. Now click on the continue button. And now your progress can be saved in your Facebook account. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.